turn the DJI Mic 2 on. Then turn the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on and see the white prompt stay on for 10 seconds. Fish, do you mean the DJI logo that goes on? Oh man, I love that cancel record because I just made a mistake and I just long pressed it and it deleted it right off. So a DJI rep answers my reply just like this. Fish, is it the logo that you're referring to? So I grabbed my iPhone. I showed me turning the mic 2 on, or maybe I didn't. And I showed the camera going on and the prompt being there. Hey, I'm Fish. Don't let me ruin your shot. I'm just telling you like it is. I'm just telling you like it is. I'm able to get maybe a second, 0.8 to 1.2 seconds of, hey, I'm in frame. And then the prompt's there. And I'm just about finished with what I had to say for this scene shot. And the prompt is off. Raise my camera, from on the floor to this way, then I gotta adjust the gimbal. So I'm not sure if I love one or the other. For me, it's not a user-friendly camera on a bicycle trying to figure things out on the go. But maybe for some, they find it very simple to do. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is one of the most popular cameras in 2023 and 2024. It's one of the smallest and most compact 1-inch camera that we have. It's a camera that we don't have any hacks to in firmware. Anything like, can we switch things on, take things off, and I'm talking about GoPro Labs. Maybe put that into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And we could just set our cameras up the way we want. Make the prompts stay on longer, shorter, turn things on and off by a simple TXT file. Because in applications, DJI is not perfect. We have to rely on the camera, and that's about it. The Mimo app may have a couple of things, but it doesn't even have a DJI Mic 2 application for the standalone transmitter. Pigeons, are they gonna fly? Fly, pigeons! I ride my bike to get this beautiful shot. The sun behind the clouds. The low clouds behind the clouds down below. The still water. And a finch walking on the boardwalk. We all enjoy using what we got and seeing what others have. And maybe there's something a little different in the things we do that makes the camera work well for us. Put it on a small boat. See what it can do for you. Stick it on a bicycle handlebar. Maybe it won't vibrate as much, but hand hold it and you'll get a real smooth shot. I hope you enjoyed shooting with the Osmo Pocket 3 with me, with the DJI Mic 2 right here. I always keep it behind, inside, so I can get the best audio quality possible at -6 dB. I'm going to tell you my settings if I didn't say it in this video or say it in some of the other videos, but said it in others earlier on. It's the Pro, -2 of sharpness, -1 of voice noise reduction. The audio, -6 dB. The shutter, 50 over 1/3200. And the EV value, -0.07. I don't do anything else. The D-Log M is in color, the normal of the camera. And take the glamour, just throw it out the door because it's not usable in the camera and only when you get to the Mimo app. If you want to color grade your D-Log M color photos, do so. You get just a little bit more color and download the LUT at DJI-M and put it in your editor, and it's not that hard to do. But let me tell you, gonna look just as good. And on that note, I am Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come.